Hey guys, Ben Ungermann here, Masterchef runner-up 2017. So today I'm going to be making a Milkmaid chocolate and almond ice cream with oranges. So the first thing that we'll need to do is we'll need to grab some chocolate and also some almonds. So this is just almonds that have been blitzed up into a paste. We've added some cacao to it as well, and also a little bit of sugar. So we're just going to place that into our stand mixer. Okay, now we're going to grab some Milkmaid condensed milk. So what we want to do now is just combine the mixture. Let's add some whipped cream. This is going to create a real fluffy texture to the ice cream and also help it set. It'll probably take about 3 to 4 hours to set. So what we're going to do now is we're actually going to make an orange syrup. So just in this glass I have the juice of 2 oranges. We're going to place that in. From there we're also going to add a little bit of sugar just to help sweeten. So while the orange syrup is bubbling away, what I'm going to do now is work on the candied orange zest. So you'll just need to get the skin of an orange. From there you just want to just cut it into very, very thin slices. What we're going to do now is we're just going to add it to a bowl of water. Now we're going to place that in a microwave for probably around 5 minutes. You need to add a cup of water and a cup of sugar. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take some of that chocolate biscuit and we're just going to get it centered in the middle of the plate. So we're just going to add a little bit of lemon to the orange syrup just to give it a little bit of tartness. Now we're going to place that beautiful syrup just around our crumb. Now these are the orange zest that we've candied. So we've got the Milkmaid almond and chocolate ice cream here. It looks absolutely amazing. Really, really great texture. We're just going to do a really pretty rose shape and we're just going to place it on the plate. We're just going to add some edible flowers. The Milkmaid chocolate and almond ice cream. It's sitting on a bed of chocolate biscuit. Then we've got the orange candied zest and then also the orange syrup.